Ever wonder why leaving the country while your green card application is pending can feel like defusing a bomb in an action movie? One wrong move and boom, your whole case can disappear before you even land back home. You would think traveling is simple, just grab your passport and go. But when you have a pending immigration case, the government basically says, not so fast, buddy. Here's the wild part. If you leave without the right paperwork, immigration can treat your application like you abandoned it. Yes, abandoned, like you left your case at a bus stop and walked away. That is why advance parole exists, and no, it has nothing to do with actual parole or ankle bracelets. It is basically a permission slip that says, hey, I am coming back, please still let me in. Think of it like a hall pass in middle school. Without it, the teacher, in this case the United States government, assumes you skip town for good. Now here is where people mess up constantly. They think a valid visa automatically means they can travel freely. Nope. Having a visa stamp does not override the fact that you have a pending application waiting on approval. Let us talk timing, because timing is everything here, almost like a soap opera cliffhanger. If your advance parole has not been approved yet and you leave anyway, you might return home to a very awkward door that will not open. People assume emergencies do not count, like a family emergency should just be an automatic excuse. Unfortunately, immigration law does not really care about your emotions, it cares about your paperwork. There is also this myth floating around that a green card interview being done means you are free and clear to travel. Actually, no, you are still in limbo until that little plastic card physically shows up. Data from immigration processing shows delays can stretch for months, sometimes over a year, depending on the category. So planning a random international trip without checking your status first is basically gambling with your future. Some people think working with a lawyer is only for court drama, like something out of a courtroom thriller. In reality, an immigration lawyer is more like a translator because, trust us, government forms speak their own confusing language. History even shows policy shifts overnight. Some administrations tighten travel rules with almost zero warning. So what worked for your cousin 2 years ago might not work for you today. The real lesson here is not to panic, but to prepare, because rational planning beats last-minute stress every single time. Checking your specific case status before booking any flight can save you months of heartbreak. So the moral of the story is simple. Treat your immigration case like a video game save file. Do not travel without saving your progress properly. Talk to a professional, get the right documents, and then travel with actual peace of mind instead of crossed fingers. You want to learn more about how we can help with your immigration case? Check out our links in the description below.